Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. It's your world, is my world, is Vonte's world. Welcome back to the channel, man. We back up here at the mall again. I'm about to try to get these tire stickers again, you know what I'm saying? I mean, not tire stickers, damn. Fucking window stickers for the charger again, you know what I'm saying? Cause they ain't had a right vinyl last time. So we back up here about to get it again, see if they got it today, man. And hopefully, you know, we had window stickers on the shit by the end of the day today. It's been looking like it's a little rainy and shit, you know what I'm saying? So I might not be able to install them today, but we damn sure gonna try to get them today, man. So let's go up in here and see what they talking about. Yeah, sure. I'm about to go here right now, see if they got what we need today, man. Let's go ahead and bang this out. This is something that we were supposed to been do a long time ago. You know what I'm saying? We were supposed to been got this knocked out, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see if we can do it today. We're gonna see if we're gonna do it today. We're about to walk in here right now in Oakland Mall, custom tees, customized tees, and we're about to see if we can get this shit done real quick. Yeah, man, we're about to get these window stickers made finally. Easy.
But it's not that hard. Okay.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome, bro.
You got me together over here, man. You got my window stickers. How much we? Put the window stickers right there, y'all see it. That's how much? $31.80. So y'all need some window stickers. Get $32. Come out here. Tell them where you at.
Customized tees.
Customized tee. Come get your tees and anything custom y'all want done. Come up here, man. They take care of you and get you right.
Whatever you want from me.
Yes, sir. We be back though to get some more stickers. You know. Can y'all do the like if I want to do a big one over the windshield? You can do that. All right, cool. Am I the only one? Yeah. Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hell yeah, I post every day, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Know what's going on, man. Know what's going on out here, you know. Shit, yeah, man, we finally get the window stickers done. So now when I'm out at all these functions, y'all gonna be able to see the channel name and shit like that. Niggas can subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Look like this. I don't know what it's gonna do. I don't know what this Michigan weather gonna do, but it might rain, it might not, so I don't know. I might be able to install them today. I don't know, I might not. But keep tuning into the video. Make sure you hit the like button. We got more lit shit on the way. Another Motor City Nights video dropping real soon. We got some more videos dropping real soon. Stay tuned into the channel, man. Bring y'all this lit shit. Charge over there, look. See? Pretty and sexy. You know. Pretty and sexy, y'all know how it go, man. This how it's gonna look, man. That's how it's gonna look on there. This is a little preview, you know what I'm saying? Little preview, that's how it's gonna look. Oh shit. Oh shit. But we finally got that shit done, man. Mission accomplished. Stay tuned in for the next video. Hopefully, I don't know, this might be one video I might get to install them. We're gonna see how it go, man. But man, make sure you hit the like button right now, subscribe, man. We almost at 1K, giveaway at 1K, $100 get a giveaway at 1K, Cash App. Y'all already know about that, so let's go ahead and get it, man. So guys, I'm at the car wash right now. The weather has changed up a little bit, got a little bit nicer, but yeah, man, I went ahead and started installing these window stickers. You know what I'm saying? We got the first one installed right there, and as you can see, that's what it's looking like. My bad, guys, the camera turned off. But like I was saying, guys, yeah, I went ahead and installed the window stickers on there, and that's how they looking. You know what I'm saying? That's how it came out right there. So hold on, if I can get the camera to focus. Yep. So right there, you know, you gotta see it, man. Focus, camera, focus. There you go. So right here, guys, you can see how it's looking right there. Now we got it on the charger finally. It's matching the black and red grip on this thing. We got the other side too over here. So it's official now, you know what I'm saying? We got the window stickers now. I wish this camera would focus. So you guys see that, man. You see it, man. We finally got the window stickers on the charger, man. My camera wasn't really focusing like that because it's on face detect, but yeah, man, we out here now that, you know, people can recognize the brand. They can recognize the channel now when I'm out in these streets, and you know what I'm saying, making moves and stuff like that. So like I said, man, if you trying to get stickers, window stickers for your car, you want to put your Instagram or your brand or whatever, go to my guys up there at Custom Tees at Lakeside Mall. I mean Oakland Mall, my bad. Go to my guys, Custom Tees, Oakland Mall. They're gonna hook you up. Tell them you came from ITSVONTE'S world, man. Look at this shit. Look how nice this look right here. Cost me 32 bucks, man. 32 bucks just to get my brand and my name out there. You know what I'm saying? 32 bucks and it's easy. All you do is peel it off like a regular sticker, put it on there, and it's easy and simple, man. So let them know that you came from ITSVONTE'S world. Tell them you seen how my stickers came out and you want something like that for your car. 32 bucks, man. You can't beat that shit, man. Like I said, you can't beat it, man. Right there. Y'all see it. So now they see the brand on the charger now when I'm pulling up. You know what I'm saying? Go subscribe to the motherfucking channel. Subscribe to the motherfucking channel. But man, we better get up out of here now. I wanted y'all to see how it came out, man, and it came out pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, for 32 bucks, you can't beat that, man. So go get your stickers today. Let them know that you came from ITSVONTE'S world, man. And just like that, man, we out of here.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because like all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King. Bad bitch named Ashley. She bad and she gon' come and shake that ass for me.